Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you want to be dazzled by a beautiful tennis bracelet that has moissanite stones that rival the quality of diamonds but are more budget friendly, then you are going to love this bracelet that I got from Love and Love. There are a few things about this bracelet that impress me. Number one, let's talk about these stones. Moissanites are some of my favorite stones because they have a higher refractive index than diamonds. They are just so fiery and clear, and they will sparkle like nothing else. This is a 3mm chain, and it is just really well built. You can tell looking at it and feeling it. It has a nice heft to it. It's not fragile and feels like it's just gonna fall apart. This is really well made. And I especially appreciate the clasp on this. I've had other bolo style bracelets that they just didn't stay secure on my wrist, but this stays in place. This bracelet is beautifully packaged, so if you're giving it as a gift, it is good to go. If you're looking for that gift for a special someone in your life, or you just want some more bling in yours, then I recommend this bracelet from Love and Love. You are going to be so pleased with it, and that's my point of view.